Good morning. For today's video, our topic is dividing a whole number by a fraction. Today, our story is all about a helpful boy. Carlo is helping his father in their carpentry shop. They have 4 meters of wood, which will they use to make frames. If each frame will be 2/3 meters long, how many frames will they be able to make? So again, Carlo is helping his father in their carpentry shop. They have 4 meters of wood, which will they use to make frames. If each frame will be 2/3 meter long, how many frames will they use or will they be able to make? So before that, let us first review the steps in dividing fraction. Step number 1. Rewrite the division operation as related to multiplication. So first we have 4 divided by 2/3. So we are going to rewrite this division operation into a multiplication. But before that, what are the different parts of a division? So first, we have the dividend. Second, we have the divisor. So do not forget those parts of division. We have the dividend and we have the divisor. Step number 2, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So in this case, in step number 2, we need to change the divisor or we need to give the reciprocal of the divisor. Which among the two is the divisor? Is it 4 or 2/3? So that is the 2/3. So what is the reciprocal of 2/3? The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So now we have 4 times 3 3 over 2. Step number 3, multiply the numerators. So in this case, our numerator is 4 and 3. So we are going to multiply 4 and 3. So 4 times 3, the answer is 12. Next, step number 4, multiply the denominators. In this case, our denominator is 2. So we're just going to copy 2 as the denominator. So our fraction now is 12 halves or 12 over 2. Step number 5, write the answer in lowest terms if possible. So we have 12 halves. So what are the prime factors of 12? So of course we have 2 times 2 times 3. And how about 2? So the prime factor of 2 is 2. So after giving the factors of the two numbers, we have to cancel their common factors or their GCF. So in this case, the GCF of 12 and 2 is 2. So let's multiply the remaining numbers. So in the numerator, we have 2 and 3. So let's multiply. 2 times 3 will give us 6. How about in the denominators? So there is no number remain in the denominator. So we're just going to put the imaginary one. So the answer is 6 over 1, or we can simplify it as 6 or 6 wholes. So the final answer is 6 frames. So Carlo can make 6 frames out of 4 meters of wood. Let's have example number 2. So again, step number 1, rewrite the division operation as related to multiplication. So we have 7 divided by 3/4. So the division sign will now become a multiplication sign. And again, as a review, what are the parts of a division? So first, we have the dividend. Second, we have the divisor. So the dividend is 7 and the divisor is 3/4. Step number 2, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So we need to give the reciprocal of our divisor. And in this case, our divisor is 3/4. So the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. Step number 3, multiply the numerators. So the numerators here is 7 and 4. So 7 times 4, the answer is 28. Step number 4, multiply the denominators. So in this case, our denominator is 3. So we just copy 3. So the final answer or our answer here is 28 over 3 or 28/3. Step number 5, write the answer in lowest terms if possible. In this case, if we are going to factor 28, the prime factors are 2 times 2 times 7. While in 3, the prime factor of 3 is 3. So obviously, they do not have a common factor except for 1. So what we are going to do is to change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So we have 28 divided by 3. So 28 divided by 3 will give us 9. So 9 multiplied by 3, the answer is 27. So 28 minus 27, so the answer is 1. So the mixed number for 28/3 is 9 and 1/3. So our final answer here is 9 and 1/3. Always remember, how do we divide a whole number by a fraction? First, we have to rewrite the division operation as related to multiplication. Second, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Third, multiply the numerator. Fourth, multiply the denominator. And finally, write the answer in lowest term. For our math tanong of the day, Anna and her mother can sew one tablecloth in 1/4 hour. How many tablecloths can they finish in 5 hours? Again, Anna and her mother can sew one tablecloth in 1/4 hour. How many tablecloths can they finish in 5 hours? Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!